Well, you been on a plane? What are they gonna do? What are you gonna eat? Pretzels? Huh?
No, and they're gonna give me donuts.
On the plane they give you donuts? What else they give you?
Um, soda.
Soda?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna fly to?
Um,
Where are you going?
um, um, um,
Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica. It's too far. Our car can't get to the Jamaica because it's too far to get there.
Oh, okay.
Because Mommy's car can't go. Because Mommy's car can't get over the mud.
Oh, okay. Well, have a good time, okay?
Okay,
Bye.
bye.